our top leaders, really ripping it up. One of the three musketeers. Salvis, come up stage if you would to help introduce the next R&B.
Got it.
Okay.
You know, as you travel the world, it's not, you know, we're used to names like John and Bob and Steve. And you travel the world, it's just these names that unfortunately, they're difficult to pronounce sometimes. So I wanted to give proper respect and get the proper pronunciation. So this individual, this new R&D, is from Greece. The person who will be introducing this new R&D is from Greece also. He is just tearing it up. Please help me to bring to stage to introduce our newest R&D, Spiritos. We are from a small town in Greece, Alexandroupolis city. Greece of crisis. And in this town, born one phenomenon of Greece, a giant. And I want to introduce this phenomenon to you. And I want to make some noise for Charilas Pipisidis. My name is Charilas Pipisidis, 39 years old. Sorry, but I speak Greece. Είδα τις πληροφορίες. I got the information. Ένα χρόνο πριν. A year ago. Έκανα 3 δουλειές. I was doing 3 jobs at the time. Από το πρωί μέχρι το βράδυ. From morning to night. Για 1.000 ευρώ. For 1,000 euros a month. Η γυναίκα μου ήταν 6 μηνών έγκυος. My wife was 6 months pregnant. Και η κόρη μου ήταν 9 μηνών. And my daughter was 9 months old. Δούλευα από το πρωί μέχρι το βράδυ. I was working from morning. Δεν είχα λεφτά. I had no money. Και δεν μπορούσα να δω την οικογένειά μου. And I could not see my family. Μετά από ένα χρόνο, a year later, έχω απίστευτο χρόνο. I have an unbelievable time. For my family. For my for my friends, all family from all ventures. Thanks, my gospel, and all of the team. Thank you, my friends. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, all the team. Bethany, Eric, all of the team. Lorenzo, all of the team. Δεν έχασα training. I did not lose the train. Αυτό που έκανα απλά έγραφα τους πετυχημένους και ήμουν επαγγελματίας από το πρώτο λεπτό. And what I did very simply was to be a very good merchant from the very first minute. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ τον σπόνσορά μου, τον αδερφό μου, Δημήτρη Εμμυρίδη. Το μέντορά μου, Σπύρο Ρούφο, που απλά είναι η αιτία που βρίσκομαι εγώ εδώ πάνω. My mentor Spiros, who is the only reason why I'm up here. The three musketeers που μας δείχνουν τον δρόμο. The three musketeers that show us the way. Όλη την ηγεσία της AMD team. All the people that are here. Όλους τους ανθρώπους οι οποίους με πίστεψαν από την πρώτη στιγμή με κλειστά τα μάτια. All the people that I follow with my eyes closed. Και δεν θα σταματήσω ποτέ, and I will never stop. Αν δεν τους δω, if I don't see them. Πάνω στη σκηνή του Las Vegas Society. On the stage of Las Vegas Και τελευταία αφήνω τον άγγελό μου, and lastly, my angel, my wife, που είναι από την πρώτη στιγμή δίπλα μου, who was from the very first minute with me. Και του χρόνου θα είμαι εδώ με τα δύο παιδιά μου, με την οικογένειά μου, για να κάνω διακοπές στο Las Vegas και να βλέπω την ομάδα μου να μαυρεύεται πάνω. And next year I'll be here with my family, with my two kids in Las Vegas to have a very good vacation.